Unraveling the meaning of brick wall in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language exploration journey. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase brick wall, a term that you might encounter in everyday conversations, literature, or even in business contexts. Understanding such phrases can enhance your fluency and help you express yourself more vividly. So, let's get started. Before we understand the figurative uses of brick wall, let's talk about its literal meaning. A brick wall is exactly what it sounds like, a wall made of bricks. These walls are known for their sturdiness and durability. They provide support and protection but can also act as a barrier. In a figurative sense, a brick wall represents a strong barrier or obstacle. When someone says they've hit a brick wall, they mean they've encountered a major problem or challenge that is hard to overcome. This usage highlights the impenetrability and immovability of a brick wall, symbolizing difficult situations where progress seems impossible. Let's see the phrase in action. If you're trying to solve a complex math problem and you can't find the solution, you might say, "I've hit a brick wall with this equation." Or, in a business meeting, if discussions are not leading to a solution, a colleague might remark, "We're at a brick wall. We need to try a different approach." Understanding idiomatic expressions like brick wall can enrich your communication. You can use it to convey frustration, determination, or the need for a new strategy when faced with difficulties. It's a powerful phrase that resonates with the experience of being stuck, which is universally understood. That's a wrap on brick wall. I hope this video has helped clarify its meanings and uses. Keep practicing, and you'll be able to use such expressions naturally and confidently. Remember, language learning is a journey. Sometimes, you may hit a brick wall, but with persistence, you can overcome it. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.